Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out the Vortex Cleaning Wet Wipes for glass and mirrors, which I received from automotionwebshop.hu. However, it's not a paid advert. You are going to hear and see my honest opinion as usual. I'm going to use it on this car. I will start to clean some glass surfaces, and in case it's not going to tell my name, I will just quickly give up. But fingers crossed, I might be even surprised by the result. Let's roll. Okie boys and girls, that was the Vortex Cleaning Wet Wipes for glass and mirrors. Whilst it was removing shed loads of dirt, let me just show you. So the wipes became super dirty. It didn't really want to evaporate. It has some alcohol in it and it has an alcohol scent. However, it left like smudges. So first of all, as I said, it didn't want to evaporate, and second, it left so much dirt behind that at the end of the day I had to go through the whole car with a proper glass cleaner and microfiber towels. And maybe it would work if I buffed it with another microfiber towel, but then why would I buy these towels, these wet wipes? Then I just use 2 towels and the glass cleaner. So it's a big no. I think even in the household, if it doesn't evaporate, then it doesn't do much good at all on the glass surfaces. Anywho, I cannot recommend it at all. And that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.